Hi, Cindy. All right, so let's go to work on Shine. First, the tuning thing, right? So you got your handy dandy clip tuner or your app, your guitar tuner, and you're going to do what's called drop D tuning. So you take string 6 or the thickest string on the top, and you go to your first tuning peg. You're going to pluck the string 6 and turn it clockwise until it goes down to D, or until it sounds like that. I've been doing this for a while, so I can tell when it's in tune. Yours, you'll have to fiddle with it until it says D, and then to bring it back into tune, you'll turn the tuner counterclockwise until it says E again. E as in every, good boy, every, and that's how you get it back in tune. Okay, so now for the notes that I sent you. Now remember, on string 3, let me turn this so you can see what my hands are doing. I'm starting on string 3, fret 9, and you can just play the melody that you hear. Alright. Now, of course, that sounds even cooler. And practice that until you're comfortable with it. But of course, that sounds even cooler if you add open string 6, 5, and 4 to that melody. Oops. That string 6 doesn't like to stay sometimes. You might have to tune it a couple times. Okay. So string 3 by itself first with the 9-11-11, 9-7-7 melody, and then add open string 6, 5, and 4 to that, concentrating on really being able to hear string 3 even standing out above those other strings, because that makes the whole thing. Okay, then you got this part. Then the whole thing starts over again. Now that's where it says then string 6, 5, and 4 all together, where it goes 10, 0, 10, then down to 5. And of course, that's leading up to everyone's favorite part. Yeah. If I scroll down a little further in the email I sent you, then it says you repeat that whole thing. And then using strings 6, 5, and 4 again, you start with the open. Yeah. And that ends on string fret 6, sorry. So again, here's that part slower, starting with 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, that pattern. Nope, sorry. Try it again. Yeah. You're going to notice I have a very clean sound when I'm plucking. It doesn't sound like this. Which sounds okay, but you can clean it up. There's this little trick you can use with your plucking hand. Take this part of your hand, the side of your right hand, and rest it on the strings up near the bridge of the guitar. This is the bridge here, and right near the bridge on the strings, I rest it while I'm plucking, and you get this sound. Again, if I take it off and I don't rest this part of my hand on the strings, you get this sound. Which you can hear the sound, the song fine, but it's not as clean. So that just cleans up a lot of the extra sound that you don't want to hear when you're playing. And you can apply that to any song, but especially this one. Yeah. Then I released my hand on that last chord so it could ring, but that's called muting, palm muting, because you're using the side of your palm to cut down on the excess noise. Palm muting. Cool, huh? If you have any questions, get a hold of me, contact me. Now there's a million different ways with Skype and everything, and I'll help you right out, okay? Thanks a lot. Bye.